Hello, this is unboxing and review of Xiaomi door window sensor. It's really tiny. It's compatible with all Aqara devices. You need a gateway in order to use it. And you should be able to program different things once you install it on your window or door. So let's open it and see what's inside the box. First of all, there's a small manual, as usual, as you'd expect from Xiaomi. And the sensor itself. This is the bigger part that's active. You can glue it onto the door. And a smaller one, which probably contains only magnet, also self-adhesive, that you can just glue onto the moving part of the door. So let's see how to install it on a door and what you can do with Mi Home once you install it. Okay, let's try to install this one. First, we will launch Mi Home. In Mi Home, we will go to the gateway and we will try to add device. And we need, here it is. It's, as you can see, door window sensor. So press and hold the reset hold for 3 seconds until blue light flashes. So this is the one, and we need to find this guy. Hopefully I managed to press it. Yeah, as you can see, the light is blinking. And then release, we released it. Our gateway is talking, connected to successfully. So we will put this in entrance. Select icon, we'll select door. And go next. Installation precautions. Please poke the reset hold before installing the device. If the gateway notifies connected, the install position is good. Otherwise, please move the device close to the gateway and poke the reset hold again. See the figure. Do not paste it to metal. Alignment mark. Pay attention to the spacing. Done. Okay. What does it say? Door. It had red icon. Nope. Okay, so now that we've installed it, let's try to make event. So we will go if no, we have to go to the gateway. And in gateway, somehow we need to add device, which should be added. Oh my God, I'm completely lost in this. Auto device. Okay, so add scene. So we will go add if door. Oh, Chinese. Let's suppose this is open. If door is open, then what will we do when the door opens? We will send a notification to device. Is that possible? Add. And we will control arm. Play ringtone. Okay, this should work. Okay, so this thing should play a ringtone once the door opens. We will remove this one. Done. Add. Gateway, play designated ringtone. Again, let's try and see what it does. Thinker. Okay. implemented successfully. That's as far as programming goes. And now let's see whether it works. So this thing needs to be around here, and this thing needs to be here. It works. But since I only have two hands, I have no way of stopping the tone. Okay, it stopped after some time. So now let's see if it works like this. It does. So this is close enough. Oh, takes forever. Let's try it one more time. Oh, it works. Okay, that's it. It works.
Touch a bit more of that.
Okay, so let's see how it works in real life. We need to take this thing off, to peel it off, okay. And now we should glue it. Second part. As you can see, the second part also has this self-adhesive thing. We need to peel it off. Okay, as you can see now it's installed correctly. I had a couple of tries, but it needs to be closer than I thought. So we will open the door, and if we hear the ringtone, then everything is fine. Oh yeah. That's about it.